Yeah, in this video I'm going to do a review of this ANCEL AD610 Elite scan tool. It also does ABS and resets airbags, so this would also be good for body shops to have it. I'll put an Amazon link in the description to where you can buy it. It sells for $134.99, but if you buy it right now, there's a $15 off coupon, like right below the price on Amazon. I don't know how long that's going to work for. Yeah, so now I'm going to open this up and see what we have in here. Okay, so it comes with this owner's manual here. And it comes in this case. And it also comes with a cable. And this scan tool works on any 96 or newer car. And here's what it actually looks like. So now I'm going to take it outside and actually hook it up to a car. I don't have any cars here that actually have anything wrong with them. Oh, and I didn't see this in here. It also comes with this USB cable. It says it has free updates for 18 months that you get. Yeah, this is a 2001 Honda Prelude, and that's what I'm going to actually hook the scanner up to. Yeah, I got it plugged in. Hopefully there's not too much glare here. First, I'm going to look to see if it's got any codes, which it shouldn't have any codes in this car. Yeah, so there's 0 codes. We can go down to pending codes. Here's always a good one, the readiness monitors, mode 6 data. If you live in a state where you have to have emissions testing done, you can make sure they're all the monitors have run. Yeah, I know all the monitors have run on this car. Yeah, so now let's look at the airbags and the ABS. Yeah, I just selected the wrong one here. And this is scanning it for codes for the ABS and the airbags. Well, it looks like it actually does have a problem here. Oh, it does have a problem with the ABS here. I didn't even know that. And here's the setup. You can set up the language, if it's in English or metric. Yeah, I accidentally went completely out of it here. Yeah, and what I'm going to do next is show you how to update it. I'm sure there's probably updates that need to go on this. Okay, to update it, the first thing you have to do is go to ANCELdirect.com and register the thing. I'm not going to actually show you how to do all that because it would take me quite a while to do it. But I'll go ahead and register it, then I'll show you how to update it. Yeah, so what you have to do is first go on their website, and then you find the scanner that you have. It's kind of hard for me to do this one-handed here. And then down under the scanner it's going to say download. And you would hit, after it starts to download, you hit open. You don't hit save, you hit open. And then it puts this tool on the actual computer, which is right here. And then you're going to be able to register it. It's actually this little tiny right down here, if you can see that. And once you run that, you can register the scan tool. Okay, now we go to updates. And here's all the different updates that can go on here. It's got a little micro SD card here, right where the USB cable plugs into it. That's where all the updates go. And after it's finished downloading all these, then I'll actually hit the update thing on the scanner. But it's going to take a little while to do that. And I just went and unchecked a few of the boxes of the cards that we don't have here in the United States, so it should go faster. And I'll film the rest of this once it's finished, because it's going to take a while. Yeah, the one thing I forgot to show on this scan tool, it will also show you the data for everything, which almost all of scan tools show that. Okay, and when you're putting these updates on here, you have to hit update here. And then on the computer it recognizes it in a second here. And you go down here and hit update. I did a minute ago. Oh, here it goes. So it's already updating everything on the scan tool. A couple of them have already finished. Yeah, so all the updates are on there now. Yeah, it's pretty simple to do. Yeah, so now I'm going to take this back outside and I'm going to hook this up to my truck so I can show you the data. Yeah, so what I'm going to hook this up to now is this 2006 Chevy Colorado. Yeah, it shows there's no codes. We're going to look at the data. And there's a lot of glare here with the camera. And you can select the data that you want to see or all of it. I just selected all of it. Now I think I'm going to go and look to see if it's got any ABS or airbag codes like that other one had. Yeah, for this vehicle, it shows it in a different way. I'd have to click on every single one of those different things, which I'm not going to do. Yeah, so I would definitely buy this scan tool. I'd give it 2 thumbs up here. Yeah, it seems to be pretty good for the money. Yeah, some of the stuff's not supported on this vehicle.